my first show, I did it, I did like basic outlaw.
Yeah. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name's Mechala. I have a CT Sounds Mezzo 18 running on a Scar SK 2500.
What is it wired? Amp wired to? You don't know?
No, my dad.
Did he build it?
Yes, my dad's is like a company over Bones Becker Auto in Rossville, Georgia. So he does.
Nice. What's up?
What's up, man?
So,
all right,
my
yeah.
dad does all the work.
I love to hear it. Okay. Looks really good. So it's single 18 in the trunk.
Yes.
And it's like a 6-cylinder then,
Yes,
kind of. Okay. Wow.
Thank you.
That's actually really good. Just a single sub and the way they built it in the trunk, kind of, so you couldn't just slide it in. Fit really well.
Yes.
So, have you metered it all just to know the numbers?
I did my first show. I did it because I do like basic outlaw.
Yeah.
So my first show I did a 140. So
Okay.
I'm number 2 in the trunk.
Yep.
And then I did it again, but I did a clamp.
Okay.
And so I did also did a 140.
Awesome. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Your name again?
Mechala.
Mechala. Awesome. Thank you very much. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.